What's going on, family? It's Mark here with another tip for you. Guys, I want to talk about claims just for a second. Not necessarily about ways to avoid them, but I want to talk about the incumbent carriers that we have flooding the market. Right there, for whatever reason, some agents or some online people are selling these horrible carriers. It's not any of the big names that you would know, right? It's some of these kind of no names. I can't say anything because I don't want to get a letter in the mail from an attorney. But if you are hit by one of these carriers, what their main objective is for you to use your own carrier. So they will either not answer the phone, either body shops have learned from multiple times that they will not get paid. Car rental carriers will not let you have a rental if you're dealing with that carrier. Guys, these are very serious actions. So it's a lot different than if you were hit by an uninsured motorist, where typically your policy would cover it if you've got uninsured motorist property damage. But what I'm urging you to think about, right, is even if you have an older vehicle, you're saying, Mark, that this vehicle isn't worth collision, I wouldn't get any money out of it. Well, that's actually not factual. I used to be in a total loss unit in a prior life, and I can tell you that having some money for a down payment of a new vehicle is very important. But what I'm saying is adding collision coverage to your vehicle just in case you need to use your carrier, right? These carriers you have a signed contract with are your advocate. We are 100% your advocate. You know me and John have a great claims background. We want to fight for you, but it's really hard to do anything for you if you don't hold collision on your policy, just in case you get hit by one of these low rate cut coverage carriers. If you guys have any questions, if you want to see just what it would take to bump your vehicle up to collision, just so we can have another avenue to help you, give us a call here. Thanks so much, guys. We appreciate your business.
Bailey Family Insurance.